y'all, what is up? What is good? How are y'all doing today? BlackGhostFace is here to do another episode of Fallout. Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing today? It's a lovely Friday. TGIF. And what's better on a Friday is to relax and watch shows. And what better ways to watch motherfucking Fallout? So we're gonna be jumping into Fallout, another episode of Fallout, and I cannot wait to see what happens. I'm glad my man saved the dog, Max. I'm glad he got what he always wanted. He always wanted to be one of those suits and everything, and hey, live the dream. Go and fly, explore whatever part of Earth is left. Go and explore. But we're gonna be jumping into the next episode of Fallout. The beginning. So that's him, the hot shot, the quick draw McGraw. What happened to his kid? I mean, I know his kid probably didn't survive, but you never know. Bob? Bob? That's typical. Some guy leaves, another person take over, it all changes. Yeah. Right? Hmm. Man, making his moves. Hmm. 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 He had a good life, you know. An actor, a family, but ever dang, ever since the bombs fell, gone. Hmm. Hmm. Well, at least the dog got a new best friend, a much stronger companion. Is that? I was gonna say, is that like a stem vape or something? A stem? No, stem haler. Boom, you're welcome. Like inhaler, stem haler. Come on, buddy. Yeah, co-op adventure. You and me, buddy. We're gonna take over the world. Hmm. Got herself a souvenir. Yo, let me know in the comments, y'all. When you play Fallout, do you play the game with music on or off? I know that had to hurt. I mean, my God. Seen the size of that needle? He had to, like, right there? Snug as a bug. Ha. Ha. Oh, he was something. I mean, amazing. Whoo, boy. Hilarious. I can't wait to see that heroic night again. I mean, it was his first time. Really, really was. All right, Max. I would not. I would never. Oh, never. I would never leave that behind. You got me confused, man. Oh, but what choice does he have, bro? It's like it's like car getting towed away. The moment you come back, it's gone. Mm. What you what you gonna do, Max? The dentist? Ooh, that's it? No, they scrapping it. You got scrappers. Like, what in the you think y'all doing? Like, get me in there. Come on, Max. You had worse than this. Ow. Like, you didn't come prepared with, I don't know, a weapon or some sort? Get up, Max. You gotta get up. Do not let these junkyard dogs take control. They're nothing but dogs, wild animals, hyenas. You are a lion, man. That's right. That's right. There you go. Blow some steam on them. That a toilet seat? Okay, he about to be creative. Time to clean up. Mm-hmm. Get off me. Oh! That little got to hit a ringleader? Woo! squeeze his head like an apple. Bro, he fatality him. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. Oh man. A new squire. Oh boy. And of all people, you're kidding me. No, 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 no. He gonna get in there. Yeah, you gotta get in there now. Cause he gonna get in there. Mm-hmm. Mmm. 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 He's thinking about doing it. He about to have fun with this one. Mmm. Do tell. Ooh. Control the wasteland, eh? I can't wait. I cannot wait for his reason when they ask, "Why are you in there? What happened to the former Knight Titus?" Hmm? Cause he, oh my God, what if he told them the truth to where he died in battle, but he told me to carry on? Ooh, I think he could have did that instead because they probably might execute him unless he quit, go AWOL and takes the armor for himself. I mean, it was really cute for a moment. Bambi! Oh my goodness! Hold up now. Did it just? No, it did not. Uh-uh. What was that? A skinless fish? Why was it so pink? Oh no. It's time to go fishing. Oh! We meet again. Wow, it did not take him long to catch up. Hey, you. He trying to get that money. A gulper? A, a gulper? Like, gulp? But a gulper? You crying pretty hard in there, buddy. You sure? You didn't take it well, buddy. I mean, I could be that guy to where you can talk to me about it that make you feel better. Like, wow. Mm, lacks enthusiasm. Mm, mm, mm. Putting them in the spotlight. I like that. Oh, that sounds promising. Go put him in a whole dark room. Like, I love how they're like, hold up, is he talking back to us? Now give me that! Nom, 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 nom. Hmm. I'm feeling the energy. Yeah, like 90% of everything. I heard that chuckle. He's enjoying this. He's enjoying all of this. I could kill him, but nah. You've been bullying me for too long. I'm gonna enjoy this. Ooh, deliciously. I ain't gonna lie, he is playing a part to where, menacing attitude. And the thing about it is, even if he knew who was in the suit, Max could kill him anyway and say, another squire fell in battle. Hmm. I cannot wait for this moment to where you, Max, this whole time I've been serving you. Ugh! I'm gonna report this to Elder. Then I'm gonna get the suit. Yeah. Using her as bait. Mm. You're in the rad zone. Radical. I mean, he giving her the old baptize. There you go. Come on. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. We got one. We got a point. And now it's jammed. Of course it is. Of course it is. Woo, that's a big boy. My God, his mouth is like a giant mutated vagina. It's not even teeth. It's just coochie coochies. All right, dog. Refreshing. Touche. Touche. We'll have to buy more stem packs, buddy. Right? He'll catch up. Meanwhile, in the middle of nowhere, hold on now. Hold on now. Right. Oh man. Uh, You want to know? Hmm. So he put it on Max, even though he feel bad about it, cause I got sick and tired of getting beat up almost every day. So let me put the beat down on someone else. Hmm. Gosh darn truth. You tell him, man. Yes. Some people disagree highly of that. Like, and like, oh my goodness, so violent. Okay, all right. Oh no 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 no! You wanted to know. He wanted to know. I would have kept going. You wanted to know. He said privately, "Oh no, he's not here. Go ahead." Yo, she want him gone. I mean, okay, so they know about this place. There's a good way to silence them, and that's to silence them permanently, because they're gonna leave and come back with a gang. The dog's still there. Oh man. Um. Oh dear. Huh. Like, okay, okay. I was just playing, bro. I was just playing. It was a prank. It was a prank. No, 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 no. I'll save you. My God, that is the most nastiest blowjob ever. Come on, buddy. Victorium. Ugh. Are those thumbs? Ain't gonna lie, I thought half his body was gonna be gone. Those were fingers. Huh. And there's the head. Like, how about that? Yes! We did it! Oh, like freaking jackpot. We was not expecting to see the head. We thought the ghoul probably would have had it. Oh boy, this is gonna be a fun turn of events. Well, the dog stayed there the whole time. Like, I'm still not done with you. on now. After what you did to him, you made his job harder. You know he doesn't share with his prisoners. Mm. Yep, you're still in the red zone. Hmm. I mean, I would not try to escape from him. Because it could be another moment to where that could happen. I mean, do you see the hole? The size of that hole. That's how big that bullet is. My God, the impact. One shot. You should be like two, two bullets, maybe three, but one bullet from that, you ain't getting back up. Got a hole in your chest. Yeah, that didn't sound too promising. I got. Oh, that's right. This is the beginning. The thumbs up. The beginning. The beginning. How it all started. So Maximus wanted to know information from his new squire, like, cause they say, hey, oh, the former squire, oh yeah, say something good about him. Now say something bad about him. He wanted to know, like, cause I mean, of course, talking to him normally and everything, like, yeah, you're not gonna get nothing out of him like that. But since he's my lord, my lord Titus, sir, my liege. Wow, so that's the reason why he got beat up. New guy came in called Max. Hey guys, let's beat him up instead. And there you go. Just beat down, transferred over to him. But Coop, as the freak, as in the hitman, he I just I want to know, like, after the bomb hit, what happened to his family? I'm not gonna. I know most people are gonna assume that, oh, bro, they died. They died. You know, when the bombs fell, yeah, they died. Like, it may not show their tombstones or anything, but they died. I don't know that. Like, hey, if they haven't showed the body, then they're not dead. For all I know, they could be kidnapped or something. You know what I mean? And let's say on one part, he thinks they're dead, but they're probably still alive. And on the other part, he knows they're alive, but they got taken away by someone, but he ain't telling anybody the information of his situation. Because he's keeping it to himself. Trust nobody, right? So it's either A or B, but I don't think they're dead. His wife, who I thought he was hitting on and everything, but that was his wife the whole time, and his daughter, like, hey, I believe they might be still alive somewhere. I mean, hey, it doesn't hurt to think positive, right? Don't just think that, oh, if I haven't seen them in like 2 or 3 episodes, well, they're dead. Moving on. Nah, I'm gonna keep it positive to where I think they're alive somewhere, like maybe at the end of the show, end of this season, to where they're looking for, wife and daughter looking for Coop. You know what I mean? And let's say, and let's say they're alive. Let's say they're alive. And they're looking for him, and they found him, and they see him like that. It might be to where, oh, we don't know you anymore, you turn into a freak or something like that, and they just leave him and all that. So, hey, I'm just throwing it out there. What if possibility? But Goldberg, bro, why does his mouth look like a grotesque vagina? And I'm thinking of, like, his teeth, but like it's thumbs. It's thumbs, and it just brings you in. It's thumbs. Like fingers. Fingers. It's like 45 fingers touching you at the same time and just gulping you down. The gulper. Oh my god. Okay. That alright. But I love how Max, tried to save him and everything. I actually thought that guy was gonna be dead, like maybe in half. Like he gives him out, but half his body is gone. But they don't mess around when it comes to the kills though. They don't. But dog. So let me see. Let me see here. The dog has already been around 1, 2, and now 3. 3 of the main faces in this. And I can already see they are already going to be together, one big, strong, powerful group to where no one can stop them. You got the man in the suit, you got pretty much Quick Draw McGraw, and you got the head honcho herself. Oh my god, they form a team to look for her dad. That would be awesome, actually. Got a team right there. But I kept saying, Fallout 4 should be a co-op game. Should be. If they remaster it, it should be a co-op game. I'm telling you. But hope y'all enjoyed the episode. You want to stay tuned to more Fallout. More Fallout. Hey, and even more content, folks. Say stop the buttons down below. You'll see the next video. If y'all want to see me go live to the games that I'm just doing on my gaming channel, hey, it's going down as we speak. But I hope you have a good day, though. Stay safe, and yeah. Peace.